All right, let's jump right in. We're going to take a really close look at a word you probably say all the time without even thinking twice about it. I'm talking about a word that's literally in the night sky, on your school papers, and all over Hollywood. Yep, that word is star. And believe me, it is way more powerful than you might think. So, just for a second, what pops into your head? Is it a glowing ball of gas, billions of miles away? Is it a celebrity walking down a red carpet? Or maybe it's just that simple shape you learned how to draw when you were a kid. Whatever it is, hold that thought, because we're about to see just how many different jobs this one little word can do. Okay, first up, let's explore what a star actually is. We're going to break down its five different meanings when it's used as a noun. And I bet some of these are going to surprise you. This is the classic one, right? A bright, shiny point of light in the night sky. But you know the one detail we all seem to forget? Our very own sun? It's a star. It's just the closest one to us, which is why it looks like a giant fiery ball instead of one of those little specks we see at night. From the cosmos, we go straight to the classroom. A star is also this iconic shape. I mean, think about it. Your teacher puts a gold star on your test. That simple little shape, it instantly means great job. You nailed it. Excellence. Pretty cool, huh? And now let's head to Hollywood. We call our most famous people stars, like Brad Pitt. It's like they're the bright, shining centers of the entertainment universe, and they grab our attention just like those giant balls of gas in space. Now, here's where it gets a little more specific, and this is really interesting. This is a bit different from just celebrity. The star is the person with the main role. You hear people say John Wayne was the star of so many Westerns. He wasn't just famous. He was the main event, the whole reason for the story. And finally, there's the star on your keyboard. The asterisk. What's its job? To make you look. It points out something important, a little side note, a required field on a form. It's basically a little symbol that shouts, "Hey, pay attention to me." So let's just recap. You've got 5 different nouns packed into one little word. A star can be a thing in space, a shape, a famous person, a lead role, and a symbol on your keyboard. That is some serious heavy lifting for a simple 4-letter word. But wait, there's more. Star isn't just something you can be, it's also something you can do. So let's check out the verb forms. As a verb, to star basically mirrors 2 of the meanings we just saw. First, you can star in a movie. That means you're the main performer, right? Brad Pitt will star in another film. But you can also star something, like when a teacher tells you to star all the correct answers on a quiz. See? Same word, 2 totally different actions. Okay, everybody, pause. I want you to just read this sentence. Star is on the Basic English 850 list. This right here, this single fact, is the key to understanding the real power of this word. 850. That number probably looks totally random, doesn't it? But it's actually one of the most important numbers when it comes to the English language. So, what on earth does it mean? It means that star isn't just a handy word, it's a foundational one. It is an official superstar in something called Basic English. So what even is Basic English? Well, think of it like a starter pack for the entire language. It was designed to be super easy to learn for international speakers. It has only the 850 most essential, hard-working words you need to express pretty much any idea. And our little word star, it made the cut. It's on the list. And this table just shows you exactly why. I mean, look at that versatility. With one single word, you get 5 kinds of nouns and 2 kinds of verbs. That's incredibly efficient. This is exactly the kind of multitasking word that's absolutely essential if you're building a language from the ground up. And it doesn't even stop there. From this one little core word, a whole galaxy of other words explodes into existence. Superstar, starlight, star-crossed, stellar. It's a fundamental building block that lets us create this entire system of ideas, all spinning around that one central concept. So what's the big idea here? What's the real takeaway from this whole journey into the word star? Well, it's all about recognizing the incredible hidden power that's packed into the simplest parts of our everyday language. You know, the words we use all the time, the ones we take for granted, they are the real workhorses. They're the foundation of everything. A word like star isn't just a word. It's a tool, it's a symbol, it's an action, and it's an idea all rolled into one. It really is a true superstar of communication. And that kind of leaves us with one last question, doesn't it? If a word as common as star has this much depth, this much power, what other everyday words are we totally overlooking? What other linguistic superstars are just hiding in plain sight, waiting for us to stop and take a closer look?